Installing the 3CX Desktop App V18. In your 3CX welcome email, you will find your 3CX web client's login credentials. Select the link to your web client and log in using details provided. On your web client, select the Windows icon on the left navigation bar and follow the steps to install the 3CX Windows desktop app. Firstly, select Install. This will download the Windows desktop app installer for you to install. Once installed, select Provision. The 3CX desktop app can be opened from the desktop shortcut or via your computer's task tray.